Oh baby, I am up on the trail for Tre Cime di Lavaredo, Tre Cime. It's 5 a.m., maybe 6 or 7 degrees, and I just started the trail up here. It took me about an hour to drive here from my hotel, so I was up at 3 a.m., but hoping it's going to be totally worth it. Sunrise is around 7:20 a.m. and there's always that nice blue and golden light beforehand, and the clouds can be pink. So I should get to a spot that I think I've scoped out and what I want early enough, and this way as well I can get some nighttime kind of shots. It's a bit of a shame that it's give and take, that the full moon is really nice to have for walking on the trail in the dark, but I'm not going to get, there you go, you see it up there. I'm not going to get really good star photos exactly because the full moon is just so bright. There's this one specific spot that I'm pretty sure I want to go to, and I think once you're on the other side of the mountain too, you have a pretty clear view of the three peaks, and it's kind of hard to go wrong. I just got up to, I guess, the top of the first part of the trail. I don't know, maybe a couple of kilometers in part, and now you can see the three peaks in all their glory. Sunrise is just starting now. As you can see, it's a lot brighter behind me. Officially it's about 20 minutes from now, and I guess it takes a little bit longer too, just as it needs to come up over the mountains. But let me turn this around and I'll show you. You can see the sunlight is starting to hit those peaks there, or that little pinkish glow. Not exactly sun, but, and then you got the three peaks right there. Turning out quite lovely. The sun just came up over the ridgeline, and it is just insane now, insanely bright. One part that looked really nice is over here with the refugio hut. The light that was hitting the side of this mountain here behind it was really nice, and you can still see it there hitting it. That came over really nice, but as you can see, that sun is coming right over the ridgeline there. And so it's just going to keep going up and over. And so I'm not really going to get too much more nice golden lighting on the front part there. It's slowly slipping away, but this valley beyond is just getting lit up as soon as that sun came over, and just the heat as well. So much better, so much nicer. But there you have it. The main reason I kind of recorded this video here today is because I was looking for information all over the place, really, especially for the fall in the Dolomites, specifically, obviously, Tre Cime or Tre Cime, about like kind of where the best spots were. And I found a lot of good resources, but at the same time, I wasn't able to find certain resources that were like if I started at 5 a.m., is that possible? If I drove up the road at 4 a.m., is that possible, or will I have to hike it? Is it open in the fall, in October 10th specifically? Where is the best photo spot? So obviously I'm here, so the road up to the Oronzo parking lot was, you can get up there, it's €30. It's pretty expensive, but it's worth it to come to the park. Yeah, I had two options. I got here at like 4:45 a.m. And if I wasn't able to get past the toll gate there, I would have had to take it in the I would have had to walk the whole way. So you're in luck. At least as long as there's no snow on the ground, October 10th or 11th, whatever today is, you don't need to worry about that road being closed. It should be open. Parking will be no issue, because if you wanted to do what I did, which is get up very, very early and come here while it was still dark, then parking is not going to be an issue. The trail itself, while it's dark, no problem. It might change if it were not a full moon. That helped, but at the same time, I think even if it weren't a full moon, it would have been a very easy trail to have done. Just make sure you have a light source of some sort. And of course, you don't necessarily need to do it alone like I did either, which is probably better too. The trail itself, super easy to go along in the nighttime, and totally worth it to come here super early like that and catch the sunrise. I've been basically alone, I see. Yeah, I heard at first, but I didn't see. But I see some people first time now on the trail, other than the other crazy people who got up at the break of, not even the break of dawn, the middle of the night, 3 a.m. to get here like I did. But the photo spot that I went to today was along the trail to the third hut, the third refugio, Locatelli. This is the trail that you come along. There's Tre Cime. You come down along the trail. That's the hut. You just follow your way up to these rocks up here. It's pretty easy to follow. There's a trail that comes up this way, and then I just went up here. Once you spot those 3 caves, that's your spot. And yeah, so like I said, I mainly did this because I wasn't able to find some of this information online myself. So hopefully this helps some of you out if you stumble upon this video. So best of luck out there. Safe travels.